Okay, so now that you got those bullet points, let's practice it real quick. All right, so what we're doing, we're just practicing this. We're figuring it out as a team, and we're hoping Joey gets his first deal. So we're all playing. You're calling me. I'm Sevi. Hey, Joey, what's happening, man?
Hey, how's it going, Sevi? This is Joey. I just wanted to touch base. I know you talked to Taylor.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Man, I'm so happy. We got the best price for you at $250, what you're asking for.
Yep.
And I really wanted you to be my first client into this business. And I was basically, if you like what you saw the estimates, what do you think about the estimates?
Well, can you do any cheaper than that?
Honestly, I know the price could look different, but honestly, we gave you the best price as what I could have done.
Okay.
He did too as well.
Okay. No, okay. I mean, it looks okay to me.
If that's okay with you, can I get your final deal right now?
Yeah, we can do it.
Yes?
Yep.
Is that going to be MasterCard, Visa, or American Express?
It's going to be Visa.
Visa. All right. And I just want to let you know that we're not going to move forward, and we're going to send you some proof before we start printing.
Okay. Yeah, no, that sounds good. I'll give you my card number right now. No, man, no. I don't think I want to do it.
You know, I agree with you. But it won't be the first, or it won't be the last that you spend more money than you expected to. I need your okay right here.
Okay. Fine, dude, fine. Pressure me into it. Okay, Joey Fresh is going to close his first deal on the phone.
Do it. I'll put it on speaker.
Do it live. All right, if you're on speaker, me and Marcus will talk.
All right.
You got
back
this.
And forth and email you the proofs. And when you get that satisfaction, which one you like the most, we're going to move on the printing production side.
Okay.
So once again, man, you know, I'm here for you. The team's here for you. Anything that we can help you elevate your business to the next level, I'm going to do my best to give you that 100% service. You like that? You know, I mean, you're going to overthrow Bernie, and I want to be part of it and also give you the right materials for your production side. So, if you like the estimate, why not just move forward and get everything going, and you can send me I can send the information to the designers, and we can start working on the proof right now.
Okay.
Now, if you like, real quick, what's your account number, real quick?
Account number.
Your credit card. Yeah, you could do it over the phone. You could do it over the phone real quick, and then I'll send you a PDF.
Okay, you send it over to
Yeah, we'll get you into our system.
Okay.
And then I know you said you wanted those different changes, and I'm gonna get with the designer, and we're gonna do the.
Did you see you saw the pictures I sent you of the business card, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. So obviously for the designers and all that stuff, is I wanted to have in the middle of the front, I wanted to say 24/7 water damage, emergency water damage. Because that's gonna be the next level for me right there, my friend.
And that right there we want to be part of course. So in the middle of the card, 24/7 water damage. You want to put certification, or do you want to put
On the back side, not the front side.
the back side? Okay.
Just tell me, if you think it's better in the front, play with it. I just want it to look professional, you know.
And it will. Trust me. Our team right here is going to get it to the way you want it, and it's going to help you move forward. Hey, Sebi, you want them glossed? Do you want them coated, or do you want them uncoated? How do you like your cards?
The ones that I currently have, I like them. I guess they're kind of like they have a block to them.
Okay. And I'm gonna let you know right now. It doesn't matter if you want them glossed or not. It's still gonna be the same price for you.
Okay, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. I like it.
Okay.
Okay, cool, man. I'll start. Go ahead. Are you ready?
Yeah. Tell me when. Come on, Sevi. We gotta get Bernie knowing who's the cleaner. Come on. All right. So it's gonna be a Visa, Mastercard, or American Express. Mastercard it is. All right. And 553. Am I correct, Sevi? Alright, I'm gonna process, send you a PDF, and we're gonna start rolling. Send me the trifolds, and then also I'm gonna get them working on your business cards. And once again, yes, yes. You wanted that kind of similar? Exactly. Don't invent the wheel if you already have it. Okay. Yes, sir. Do you want to use the same colors, or you want to use the dirt? Okay, blue, gray. I got you. Yeah, I'm writing it all down right now for you. Why not? Think about it. You're getting an investment like you're getting an investment from me. Think about it. That little cost is going to help you retain and build more retail down the road. All right? How about this, Sevi? How about this? I will come to you later today or tomorrow. I'll come to you and we'll write it down word for word and make sure that what I have I can give back to the team.
Okay.
Do you like that? All right, I'll come to you tonight. I'll drive my way over there and I will make sure we get this down for word verbatim to make sure that what I can provide for you is 100% golden. All right, big dog. I'll see you later on, okay? All right, you have a blessed one. And once again, thank you for your service, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, you know the drill. You got to get up and go get it. It's not going to come to you. All right, big. All right, see you soon. Bye.
There it is. First deal. How did that feel?
Boom.
Dude, you came alive. I'm just going to say it here on camera that that was like all of the role play that we've been working on.
Yeah.
You were smooth and you said the right things, and I feel like you just did your thing, and that was real well done. So,
to this guy right here. This is the next grant right here.
I don't know this guy.
This guy right here. Give me a handshake. This guy right here. Within days, not weeks, but days.
And now, okay, so first sale. What day is it for you at this job? Since Monday, right?
So 5.
So you got your first deal by the Friday of your first week?
We'll take about 4. Because I started Monday, we put this out on Tuesday.
Yep.
And then today, so it's 4 days.
So I'm going to tell you this, what I saw that was good, because we like to break down the deal. So you took excellent notes, so let's take a look at this. So we got all the details, and one of the things we always try and capture as much details as we can, because when there's so many people involved in a job, you need to have as much detail as you can so everybody can get it right. You kept everything positive, I noticed. Everything was, we're going to make it the best we can. It's going to be the best you've seen. I'm going to get you exactly what you want. So the positivity keeps them positive, and it gave him confidence. We talked about giving altitude and giving them confidence. And I think by keeping it straight, keeping it positive with him and reassuring him, that made him feel really good. And then you locked it down by giving him that extra value, the service, by going out to meet him and making sure he gets everything he wants.
100%.
And I think that's what led to the deal, and you got the payment, so that's the hardest part. So that was officially your first deal. So tell everybody how you feel about closing your first deal.
I feel amazing. I'm gonna lie. I feel if I could do one, I think I could do more.
Yep, I think that opened the gates for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so there it is. Joey Fresh closes his first deal in the Dirty Kitchen. Brochure and business card deal from his buddy, so he used his Power Base, which also was awesome. And what we'll do is we'll get you up with this video later once the process is done and show you what the finished product was, how we turned it out, and we'll see you then.
The dirty kitchen, the dirty kitchen, the dirty kitchen.